Thank you for visiting my visual tour today. If you have questions or would like to schedule an appointment to personally tour property on Lake Wedowee, call Terry Norton at 404-317-5120. We work hard for our clients. Southern comfort on the south end of Lake Wedowee. This is a low-maintenance home that offers 4 bedrooms and 3 full bathrooms. Nice open floor plan with open kitchen with granite countertops, oak cabinets with upgraded appliances. Your family room has a fireplace with gas logs and 9 feet ceilings. The master suite is spacious and comfortable for full-time living if needed. The master bathroom has a new custom tile shower with tile flooring. Your family and guests will enjoy the 2 bedrooms and full bathroom on the main level for convenience. The basement offer a large bedroom and bath for the kids. This is a great area to expand the home with the unfinished space. The wrap-around screen deck offers great views of the lake and natural Alabama landscape. Your guests will enjoy the outside patio to enjoy the lake life. You are just a few steps to the gazebo and stationary dock, jet ski port with year-round water. You are in a protected cove minutes from large open water.